This is where I told the supplier here. I said I need a discount, and I said how much to pay for all of them. This is the first one. He adjusted this price. This is the initial price here. This is the initial price, and he adjusted it to 87. He adjusted it to 87 from 92. He adjusted to 87, and the same thing applicable to the local shipping fee too. Now let me scroll down again and show you for this one too. Now from this one, he adjusted from 98 to 95. So that is saving me 3 extra RMB, right? Now let me scroll down and also show you this. This is also awesome, right? From 533 RMB to 521 RMB. That saves me over 9 RMB from buying this product. Hello family, welcome back to the channel. This is Zionhublogistics. If this is your first time of seeing a content like this, get to meet me. I am your mini importation coach. I am expert, and this is my office. So I think we gather here to talk about mini importation business at large, right? So if you are finding yourself watching our video for the very first time, what you want to do to join our community so you'll be able to see some videos like this, you want to click on that subscription button. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that notification bell, so whenever we post another helpful content like this, YouTube will be able to notify you that Zionhublogistics has already posted another video. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you guys for watching that video. Thank you guys for coming to watch over and over again. You deserve an accolade. So thank you guys. So without further more ado, let's dive into the tutorial. Now, like I always tell you guys, importation is not for babies, right? So we need a serious minded people, and we don't I am not going to allow you fall into the mistakes. So I want you to learn from others. We are learning every day. As this business is going wide and wider, we need to also learn and know how to strategize our business, right? So in today's tutorial now, this is what I'm going to be showing you. If you are the type of person that that normally buy from a supplier store, maybe you want to buy like 6 to 10 different items from same supplier, and you don't want to pay for local shipping fee for each item, there is a way we are going to be doing it in today's tutorial. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, what you want to do is to stay back, watch it under 5 to 10 minutes, right? I'm not going to take your time. I just want to brief you and summarize what we are going to be looking at before we go to the practical session, right? So I'm going to be teaching you how the strategy you can easily use for those who buy like 10 pieces, 5 pieces, 20 pieces from a store, and you want to bargain on the price of that item, and you still want to bargain about the local shipping fee. Now, in today's strategy, I'm going to be showing you how you can do how you can bargain with the secret of bargaining with your supplier. So it's going to help you reduce local shipping fee and also reduce the price of what you are buying, since you are buying everything from a store, right? That having been said, let's head into the practical session of it, right? So I told you that I normally do procurement. So if you want us to help you do procurement, we are available for procurement services, right? So this is one of my students that I'm helping to procure this bag, and she's buying everything from a supplier, right? So we don't need to pay for a whole lot of shipping, local shipping fee, because the supplier will be the one packing everything together and ship it at once, right? So let's dive into it. Now, this is my conversation. Let's start with the conversation from the supplier. You know, I always make my video clear. So please, at this stage, please don't skip any part of it. If you find yourself lucky watching this video, I believe by the end of this video, you will either give me a positive review or a negative review. Please, if you are the type of person that don't give review, please, after watching this video or as you are about to watch this video, if you find this video very helpful, just join me in the comment section by giving me some accolades, right? So let's start, right? So this is my supplier here, and the first thing I need to do is to make inquiry about what I'm buying. So I now said I wanted to buy this product here, and I tried to explain to this supplier that I wanted to buy different varieties of bag from your store. So I'm going to be needing a discount on the both for discount on the price of the item and on the local shipping fee, right? So I try to explain to this guy here. I'm going to screen grab this page. So once I screen grab it, I will head over to my Google Translator to translate what I typed here for you guys. So you'll be able to read and understand in English. Remember, we are only patronizing this website because this is a local website designed for Chinese people, right? So let me head over to my Google Translator. So this is my Google Translator. Now, this is what I firstly told this supplier. I said, hello, I want to buy some bags of different design from your store. He said, okay, right? Now, I now replied again. I said, I don't want to pay double local shipping fee for what I'm buying. So I now asked him, what will you do for me? That is the question I asked the supplier. And I said, I repeat it again, because I'm using Go keyboard, so it types it double time. So I now send it again. He responded. He said, what, like, you don't understand what I mean, right? That is what the supplier replied. Now I now said, okay, don't worry. This is what I told the supplier here. I told him not to worry. I said I'm going to shoot everything to him, so he's going to understand. And he gave me a handshake here. That's okay, no problem. I said I'm going to shoot him. So this is what I do. Now let me scroll down here. This is what I do. Now I now shoot. I hope you know how to shoot. If you have been following my video over and over again, you will know how to shoot these items to your supplier. I shooted this item. So from his own end, he's going to know that I am making inquiry about this bag and I'm trying to purchase this bag. He's going to be seeing it from his own end, right? So that is the first thing. Now, he now sent something here, but I don't want to take my time in this video. I don't want it to be a very long one. So I now shoot again. If you don't know how to shoot this thing to a supplier to make inquiry or to reduce price, just type it under the comment section. So I'll just send the video to you directly. So it won't be like I'm going outside the topic of the video, right? So now I shoot this again, like I'm buying a lot of goods, right? So this is the first one I shoot here. This is the first one. I shooted this one the first time, then I also shooted this one again the second time, right? So I now go ahead. There are different design. No, this is the third one that I'm shooting here. This is the third one. I'm shooting this third one here, and I'm also shoot this for the fourth one. Then this one here for the fifth one. So I'm buying different design, and you can see it clearly here that these bags are different designs. This is different design here. This is different design here, and this is different design here, right? So I now shooted this. I think this is the first design here. We have the first design here, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So I still go ahead to shoot this guy as 51 here. Then I still shoot another one. So this is how I shooted everything to know that I'm serious about buying this product. And these are their prices. Please take note of their prices. This is the price for this here. This is the price for this guy here. This is the price. Then this is the price for this. This is the price for this. So it's going to be seeing everything. Now I now said after I'm done shooting, I still shoot this guy again. So after I am done shooting, I now send this message to this guy. So what do I send here? Let me try to screenshot, then head over to my Google Translator to show you guys what I shoot. After I'm done shooting, what I told this supplier is that I want to buy all this item, but let me just translate so you can see. So now this is what I sent to this supplier. I said, this is everything I bought from your store. Like I wanted to buy. It is that translator that translated wrongly, right? So I now said I need a discount. This is where I told the supplier here. I said I need a discount. And I said how much to pay for all of them. So I've already told the supplier now that I am in need of a discount for this item that I'm buying, right? So now he now said let me calculate. So this was his response. He said he wanted to calculate it so he can start giving me discount on this product. I now replied again. I said please help me lower the price, right? So I can buy it now. This is what I typed to this guy, right? So now immediately once he see that what I'm buying is much, he now immediately go and change the price. You can see it here. I'm still going to be translating it. This is it. The price of the order has been changed. He immediately go and change the price because he know that I'm buying a lot of item. So now let me just scroll down and show you. You can see here, but let me quickly screenshot this one. He has adjusted all the prices for me, right? But before, okay, let me just show you. This is the first one. He adjusted this price. This is the initial price here. This is the initial price, and he adjusted it to 87. He adjusted it to 87 from 92. He adjusted to 87, and the same thing applicable to the local shipping fee too. Now let me scroll down again and show you for this one too. Now from this one, he adjusted from 98 to 95. So that is saving me 3 extra RMB, right? Now let me scroll down and also show you this. This is also awesome, right? From 533 RMB to 521 RMB. That saves me over 9 RMB from buying this product, both for local shipping fee and the price, right? So this is how he adjusted all the prices of this item. You can see it here. I'm buying for 113 here. I'm buying for 113 and he adjusted it to 109. Just the same price. It is business strategy. Now let me just screenshot this page for what he changed. The price of the product he changed. Let me try to screenshot now and go to my Google Translator so I can show you so you can understand it better. You know I've already explained it now, but I need to show you the proof, right? So you know I will always work with proof. So if you want us to help you do procurement, you can trust us always. You can always trust us. So now this is it here. So I want you to start from this guy here. You can see it. They said the price has been changed. You can see the English here. This price has the price for the order has been changed. And how much does the price change to? Now let me show you the initial price for this. Now this is the price. This was the initial price here. The initial price was 530 and this is what he changed it to. You can see it here. They said after price change. This is the what is changing to. So I've get a whole lot of discount. So this are business strategy that you guys want to use. You don't just want to go in there because you see them cheap. You just want to buy directly. You can still buy more lesser than all what you are buying now. So this is how this guy adjusted all these prices for me. If I'm to begin to show you now, this video will be very, very long, right? Because is a huge amount that is getting me, is saving me here. Imagine I'm saving, this is 113 and is giving me for 109. Check this again. This is the same 103 is giving me for 109. For these two orders now, I know how much I'm going to be saving myself just for this procurement. And also, I have a procurement course. If you want to become a procurement agent, you want to start buying goods from other people and make your profits. You are going to be making your profits on this, what I'm showing you now. And also, you are going to be making your profits from buying this item because you are going to be charging them your service fee. That is another way of making profits. And you're also going to be charging them for your RMB, like RMB rates. So you are making times 3 profits. So if you want to become a procurement agent, I have the complete course. You can see it here. So I have already, I'm trying to still beat that prices down. That is what you are seeing here. But the supplier is not accepting. He's telling me that that is the lowest he can go. You know, this is business now. So I'm still telling him that I don't even want to pay for local shipping fee at all. That whatever local shipping fee you want to charge me, you should just charge me once, instead of just giving me discount on all those local shipping fee. Where I was supposed to pay maybe 10 RMB, he slash it to 5. I now told him I'm not okay with that if I'm to translate it, but I don't want to waste your time. But I don't even find it as an excuse, because we are all learning. It is better to learn completely, right, than showing you half information. Right, so just take your time, manage to watch this video to the very end. So this is what he told me here. He said this is the least he can go. Right, let me try to translate this. This is the end of the conversation, and after this now I'm going to be showing you how I was able to buy this product directly. So he said that is the lowest price he can go for me. Right, so let me just show you here by translating this guy. So let me just show you, right? So now this is it. He told me that this is just the price, that he can't go lower than this. I now said, please help me reduce it a little bit, right? I said I want to buy everything now, because that is the English they want to hear. If they know that you are serious in buying, they will definitely help you reduce it, right? So he now said discount has been changed. He said that is the lowest price he can do. And I said, okay, times, right? So now that is the simple strategy. Now, how do I make this purchase after he must have changed the prices for me, right? How do I make the purchase? Now, I'm going to be starting here. Let me try to, okay, I think the discount starts here. So for this, I'm going to be clicking on this red guy to go and make this purchase directly, right? So let me click on it and make my purchase. So after I make my purchase, it will take at least 48 hours for this guy to deliver it. So you can see it here that the price has already changed. There's no point in just going over and over again. This is what he adjusted for me. You can see it. I'm making I'm making a profit of 4 RMB on this order alone, right? Which is enough, which really sounds good. So I am to click on this guy here to complete my payment, right? So I'm going to make my payment shortly now, and that is how we are going to be doing. I'm just going to make a payment for 2, because I don't want this video too long. We all know how to make a payment. I'm just showing you as a proof, right? So I'm all right, I think I've made this payment now. Let's wait for this guy to come up. So you can see that you can see that this payment is successful now. That's the first one. So let me go to the second one. I will show you how to make the payment for the second one as well. And you are going to follow the same practice for all of them. I've made these payments now for the first one. This is the first one that we just make a payment for, right? And if I'm to go to the second one again here, I'm still going to be doing the same thing by buying this product. So let me click on this guy, and after I make this payment, I will end the video. So but before then, we are available for procurement. If you want us to help you procure your item, we can help you procure it. Now this is the discount this guy is giving me here. So if I'm to make my payments now, it will go directly, right? So if you want us to help you do procurement, we are available for procurement. And if you want us to help you do sourcing, we can help you do sourcing. If you want to be sure if the item is good or not, just send a link to us on WhatsApp. We'll help you check. And we're also available for mentorship. If you have any issues at all, any related issue that have to do with maybe importation business, and we also train people, we lecture people, right? So this is just the simple process to all these things. I'm going to be making this payment one after the other now, because I don't want this video to confuse me, right? So I'm going to be making the payment one after the other. So thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. I hope you find value in watching this very tutorial. I will see you in my next tutorial, and I'm going to be leaving you with this video on how you can track your item yourself on 168. So I will see you in my next tutorial.